So today I'm going to make some Dalgona's coffee. I hope I'm saying that right, but either way, it tastes absolutely fantastic, so let's get on with it.
There's only 12 notes on the music staff, but 3 chords and the truth is all you really need. There's only 26 letters in the alphabet, but no one really cares about the ones like Q and Z. You mix them all together in a soup of creativity and add some salt and grab a spoon to taste. No matter if you improvised or stuck close to the recipe, the soup is yours, no one can take your pot away. Oh, everything is borrowed, nothing's really new. Everything's assembled from duct tape and glue. We're all a patchwork piece of art, greater as a whole than the sum of our parts. Some chords sound nice together, that is why we choose them. And some chords sound really bad, so we don't really use them. If we had to pay the royalties for every G and C and D, there'd be a caveman with a Lambo for every day of every week. No one owns the words we speak, we built them all together. We took the little pieces and we slowly made them better. It's okay to innovate, but don't you feel too jaded when somebody tells you that the Simpsons already had made it. Oh, everything is borrowed, nothing's really new. Everything's assembled from duct tape and glue. We are all a patchwork piece of art, greater as a whole than the sum of our parts. And find an angel hiding in the ground.
Simpsons did it!
Buy a truck and make sure that the streets are always plowed.
Simpsons did it!
Go and sing some barbershop and be a one-hit wonder.
Simpsons did it!
Build a giant dome to hide a nasty city under.
Simpsons did it!
A clown broke from prison who wants to murder little
Simpsons
boys.
did it!
An old man in a panic from some plastic army toys.
Simpsons did it!
Donald Trump is president and everything explodes.
Simpsons did it!
I don't wanna watch this anymore. Nothing's really new. Everything's assembled from duct tape and glue. We are all a patchwork piece of art, greater as a whole than the sum of our parts.